Welcome to my channel Tech Info Boost. Today's topic is, if you forgot MySQL root user password, what to do, or how to reset MySQL root user password without having old root password. For this, please follow following steps. First, we have to stop MySQL service. For this, we have to press Windows logo key plus R. This will open run command. Then we have to type services.msc and then press OK button. This will open services. Then we have to find MySQL service. Currently I have installed version 8.0, so you can see there is 8.0. So we have to just right click, then we have to click stop button to stop the service. Second, we have to go to MySQL service properties window and copy part2 executable. So we have to just right click and goes to properties, then again right click, select all, then we have to copy. We have now copied the part2 executable, and this is the same part2 executable. So you can just copy it to any notepad. So I have pasted that path over here. You can see this, both the paths are same only. Then third step is to write following MySQL command in any text file. I have already created one text file in D MySQL. In that I have created this text file resetrootpassword.txt. So let's see what we have written in this text file. Alter user, in single quote we have written root, @ in single quote, then localhost identified by, reset root password in a single quote. So actually this is our new root user password that we are going to give, reset root password. Then we have to open command prompt. For this we have to press Windows logo key plus R to open the run command, and then we have to type cmd and press OK button. So this will open the command prompt for us. Then we have to copy this part2 executable till bin. So I copied that path and just go to command prompt, type cd and paste the path over here, and then press enter key. So you can see we are at bin directory of MySQL server. Fifth step is we have to execute the following command. MySQL D is nothing but the MySQL Server executable file. We are using the option default. I have just copied this from part to executable. So you have to just copy this much part and paste over here to form this following command. Now the second option I have taken is so you can see in D we have MySQL. In that I have created reset root password.txt file. So I have taken that path over here. And we have used this option console so that all the output will be seen on console only. So I am going to just copy this whole command, copy it, then go to command prompt and paste over here and then press enter key. Then the sixth step is press Ctrl plus C on keyboard to stop MySQL service. That means we have to simultaneously press Ctrl and C key on the keyboard. So we have just stopped the MySQL service. The seventh step is to start the MySQL service manually. For this we again press window logo key plus R to open the run command and then type services.msc and then press OK button to open services. Then search MySQL service, right click it and start the service. Now you can see that the service has been started. Then let's check whether we have reset root password of MySQL or not. For this we have to type MySQL command and then press enter key. This will ask for enter password. Now our root user password is reset root password. We have to type this password over here. So I am typing reset root password over here and then press enter key. You can see that I am inside MySQL. This means I am successfully reset MySQL root user password without having old root password. Ninth step is to exit command prompt. So you have to type \q and then press enter key to exit MySQL and exit and then press enter key to exit command prompt. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.